multi-index data frame will have more than one level of index. So for this multi-index data frame, I have some piece of code written here. Let me run this and show you what we have. Say we have two values here in this outside list, G1 and G2, and for both G1 and G2 it will be further divided into 1 2 3 1 2 3. So both G1 and G2 will be further divided into 3 rows. So let's see what is outside list. It's a list of 6 elements, G1 G1 G1, G2 G2 G2. Inside is a list of 1 2 3 1 2 3. Then we use a zip function to zip this list. So to check this, we can convert this to a list and it will return the zip which converts the corresponding elements of this two lists into tuples. So the first element of this outside list goes with the first element of the inside list and it will create a tuple for that. So this returns G11, G12, G13, G21, G22, G23, and we use a list to put all of these tuples inside a list. Then we created a multi-index from that using from tuples. So let's check this higher index. So we created a multi-index from tuples using this higher index object, which was a list of zip of these two, outside and inside list. You can see it's a one-dimensional array. It has 6 elements. Now we will create a data frame using this index. So df is equal to pt.dataframe, and we will create random numbers here. We will create a 6x2 data frame. For index, we will use this higher index object which we created, and for columns we will pass in a list A and B. So this will be the column names. Let's check our data frame, and it created a data frame which has 2 levels of index here, G1, G2. Both G1 and G2 are further divided in 3 rows, 1 2 3 1 2 3. You can check the index name here, index.names, and we don't have any name here, so we can give some name. You can pass in a list of 2 elements in this format. So let's say for the outside we'll call it group because it starts with G, and for the inside we will use num. And now if you rerun this data frame, so it will return the same data frame with index name which are group for G1 G2 and num for 1 2 3 1 2 3.